I'm truly honored to stand here before you all as the judge for this inspiring fashion event. As we gather in this room, we are not just celebrating beauty, elegance, and fashion. We are also celebrating unity, strength, healing, and mental health. Today's theme is Healing with Harmony, a message that resonates deeply within the world of fashion and beauty. Fashion is not just what we wear, the kind of makeup that we do. It is also about how we feel, what we feel. It deeply resonates with our mental health and well-being. Unfortunately, in today's era, we have started taking too much stress on the name of fashion. We are going into potentially harmful diets and developing eating disorders and whatnot. But this is not fashion. Well, I'm not planning to go on and bore the Gen Z with any wisdom talks here. I would rather like to share my personal experience with you all. Well, I was teaching here in 2023 as a psychology teacher and the counselor. All of a sudden, I came across this opportunity of going to beauty pageant Mrs. India. With a lot of hesitance and with a lot of courage, I went to Dr. Caroline's cabin asking her for the leave because I wasn't sure how she's going to react for the same. But to my amaze, she seemed more thrilled and excited than I was, which gave me a lot of encouragement and support from the management. And I thank you her for that. Well, I did go for the pageant, and you know what was the best thing about Mrs. India? Unlike Miss India, we came in all shapes and sizes. All married women across India ranging from 30s to 50 years of age. Some mother of one, some mother of two, and some lucky even mother of three. We were so acceptable in terms of accepting our own bodies the way we were. No body shaming, no discouragement, no embarrassment. We all were very comfortable in our skin. And yes, that was the best part about this whole beauty pageant. I did come back winning 3 crowns, Mrs. Bangalore, Mrs. Karnataka, and finally I won Mrs. India, National Finalist, second runner-up. My main purpose of telling you all this is that sometimes the lessons that we learn during our journey are so meaningful, are so important. It becomes more important than the destination. So, for today's competition, it is not always about losing or winning. It is also about how we uplift others, what we learn during our journey, that is more important. So, thank you all, and to all the contestants, I want to congratulate you all for your courage, creativity, and confidence. You all look beautiful, not with what you are just wearing, but the light within you that you are carrying. Thank you all for allowing me to be a part of this incredible celebration of beauty, strength, and resilience. Thank you.
Peace is more than the absence of war. Peace is a journey from struggle to serenity, from chaos to calm. This is not just fashion, it is a reflection of a soul's battle and triumph. Behold, in white, a striking contrast of restraint and release. The black corset binds with the weight of expectations, the silent battles fought within. Yet from struggle emerges serenity. The flowing white fabric whispers the renewal, clarity, and peace, not in surrender, but in embracing a new beginning. Her dress, adorned with doves, tells a story of hope and liberation. Each piece a symbol of healing, rising from turmoil into tranquility. Behind her, wings of soft, resplendent feathers spread wide, embodying the strength found in transformation. the freedom born from resilience. Upon her head, a golden crown, a testament, wisdom, and fortitude. And every step in golden heels, she walks towards light, towards healing, towards hope.
This look is more than just fabric. It is a story, a struggle, and